So, welcome back to another Random Hobby channel. So, triple threat match ulit tayo. Kamigawa, Edge of Eternities, and Final Fantasy Booster. Pakmas. Bilisan natin para maka-turba tayo ng tatlo. Kung kasya. Sa 3 minutes. Precious Wandering. Rook Turret, Warrior Sword. Fate of the Sun Quiz. Sana makakuha man lang tayo ng Tifa na full art world map or something. Seat of Sanctum. Twisties ulit! Jumbo Cactuar! Nice! Pwede na. Pwede na yan. Oh, nice. Then Edge of Eternities. Sorte natin. First pack magic natin. So, let's see. Hulk Carver, Lost in Space, Bombard, Sky Stinger, Exosuit Savior, Temporal Intervention, Divert Disaster, Starfield Shepherd, Scrunch for Eternity, Dauntless Scrapbot, ooh, full art, Stomping Ground, Warum Nicht, Arch Enemy's Charm, meron din tayo dito, full art, kaya lang, pangatlo na to, Beams of Protector, and Swamp, wow, ang gaganda talaga ng mga lands, and Kamigawa. Mukhang kaya. Basta bilisan. Tsaka walang masyadong yapping. Guardians of Oboro. Twisted Embrace. Uncharted Haven. Kawashi's Song Shaper. Love it. Futuristic Sentinel. Kitsune Ace. You Are Already Dead. Just like my wallet. Geothermal Kami. Searchlight Companion. Befriending the Moss. Lagyan mo lang ng ilaw. Go Shintai of Shared Purpose. Thirst for Knowledge. Towashi Guidebot. A Ganjo Uprising. Wow, Vansin. And Samurai. So, that's all.